Chelsea's like, who's throwing sand? Or a seagull's pooping in her hair.
Oh, so gross.
And Holly's being a superstar.
Oh, gross.
Holly's hating this, as you can tell.
Oh. You don't have to clean it.
It like got clear up here.
Oh, I'll go home and shower. Oh, gross. That is seriously the most disgusting thing
Chelsea,
that's ever happened to me.
what happened?
Got crapped on. What happened? Seagull just pooped on my head. That really just happened. He's like, did that hit someone?
It's on your forehead.
Here. Don't you touch this? No, I really don't. Thanks, bud. Oh, gross.
I'm sorry, I'm laughing.
Oh, no, it's okay. There you go. Thank you. You did not have to do that.
Hey, did you guys plan that as part of the hostess like package? Extra crap. Did that?
That's part of the gold package. You have to pay extra for the bird to poop on your head.
Now you know, people, don't get the gold package. Go for the platinum. Get 2 birds crapping on your head.